We've got our storage unit here, standard container that got damaged during the heavy snows. We're going to show you what we did to reinforce the roof after it got damaged. As you can see, this is what we had currently. It bowed them out and bent them pretty bad. And my dad, Joe, here is going to show you what he's come up with to repair the setup.
We found out that storage containers use an 1.25 inch metal angle piece that is the original. So I wanted something that was extra strong. So I got this heavy gauge 1.25 inch tubing and showed the end of it there. And then I had them bent with a 1 inch crown in the middle, so that when they're put in, it would make their water run off each side, and make it a little stronger too. So rather than tear out the old bent ribs where it was gathering water, we put these new ones every other rib, so it would be back to where it could be safely store material in it again.
So this setup's much stronger. We've done it on 2 other storage units just like it. They're pretty simple. You just measure the exact length, just a hair smaller, so they can slide in. You could put screws if you'd like. We found that we measured these so precise that they set in and don't need screws to hold in. So that's how we repaired our storage unit after snow damaged the current weaker units. So hope this video helped.